Crypto Bro is a new project on Binance Launchpad, Space ID. This is right now in a preparation period, which means you can still take part in this. So I'm gonna show you step by step how you can get the best out of it, the best out of this launch. So make sure to watch until the end. Of course, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is only for educational and entertaining purposes. Always do your own research, Dior. Look, first thing, I suppose every one of you have Binance account. If you don't have, I'm leaving you a link down in the descriptions to the registration. If you already have your Binance account, what you want to do is basically go here to Earn section and click Launchpad. If you click Launchpad, you'll see all the projects from Binance Launchpad. Like you can see, Step N did 3000x. Hooked Protocol, the latest project, did 40x in a very bad market conditions. Now, market conditions are better and Space ID is launching tomorrow. And the subscription period starts in 4 hours, okay? Look, what I want to show you, if we click into Space ID, you can see that hard cap per user, 15,000 USD, single initial investment, 0.1 BNB, tokens offered. What is it? 100 million ID tokens. ID per sale 0.025 USD. And type it's subscription, which means balance of your BNB will be calculated, and based on that, you will have a chance to invest in Space ID. Look, only BNB in your spot wallet can be used during the subscription period. Minimum amount 0.1 BNB. If you have some BNB in your spot wallet, and if you have held that BNB since 17th of March until 22nd March, 6 a.m. UTC, then you will be eligible to take part in the Space ID Launchpad. Now look, once again, now there is a calculation period, okay? If you're watching this video, there is still a couple hours in calculation period. Then subscription period is gonna start 22nd, 6 a.m. Okay, then calculation period 9 a.m. So 3 hours after, okay, and then the final token distribution 10 a.m. UTC. It's the same day, everything happens the same day. And then after, a while after, it's gonna be listing on Binance. Now I don't want this video to be very long, so I'm not gonna explain you everything. If you want me to explain you everything in details, how this BNB is being calculated, I can do it. Leave a comment. I want a video on Binance Launchpad. What you need to understand now is that if you held BNBs in your wallet from this date until this date, you will be eligible to take part. Now let's go to the Space ID website. Discover, register, trade, manage, one place for digital IDs. What it means, look, let's say I want to have a domain called Costa. Look, I've already bought this one, but look, Costa Ethereum, 5 USD per year, okay? Now you click register in here, switch to Ethereum, and you are easily able to buy any domain that you want with crypto only by connecting your wallet here. But this is not where this ends. Right now I'm gonna buy, actually, just to show you how it works and how simple it is. Look, Costa Binance.bnb, okay? We're gonna click register. Here we choose how many years we want the domain for. Now we need to click request. TX is pending, and now you'll see that I own. That easily, I own the domain. Now I need to register. Now confirm again. Look, now I own 2 domains, Costa Binance.bnb, CryptoCosta.bnb. I listed that one. Hope somebody buys for 50 BNBs. And now currently this is available for 3 chains, BNB, Ethereum, and Arbitrum. Unique holders, look, on Ethereum there's 600,000 volume, 40 Ethereum sales, 260. But it doesn't end here. There's also an interesting thing, collections, okay? We're gonna try BNB collections. And look, for example, that one, BNB 999 Club. So what happens here is basically there are collectible domains, and it's crazy new opportunity. Look, in this collection there's 1,000 domains, 651 owners, volume 12 floor price. So it's basically like NFTs, but for domains. 008.bnb was sold for 12 BNB. If you are creative, it opens a completely new market for you. You can create collections in here on Ethereum or Arbitrum. You can see all collections. Let's explore for a while. Look, male first names. Okay, look, male first names collection. Andrea, Caden, Baz. Look, now on Discord they have 340,000 members. On Twitter there's 430,000 followers. Hype is absolutely crazy. Look at their latest post. 640,000 views only on the quoted tweet about the listing. And now the pinned tweet on Binance Twitter is about Space ID. Look, 1.5 million views. Only this tweet got. And once again, what I think it's basically probably gonna 100x at the listing easily. The reason why market is amazing for the launch, and this is Binance. Binance know what they are doing. They are not launching projects that they are not sure about. Now, once again, these are all the dates. 22nd of March. If you're watching this, is exactly the same day. So make sure to check this out and check if you have had BNBs between those days. This is very important because you will be able to participate in the launchpad. In my opinion, this is totally worth it. But remember, do your own research as always. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you need a whole clear explanation how everything works in Binance Launchpad. I can do it for you. Now I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.